Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you guys, I did a thing. I went to Target, of course, and I saw all of these cute hair accessories. So you know I had to show them to you, okay? Because I said, you know what? If I like these, then they might like them too, okay? So first up, they have lots of these little sets with like a scrunchie and some little hair clips in it, or a scrunchie with a headband. And these are the ones that I really like because they have some little hair ties, a claw clip, and a matching comb. Okay, I love a good matching set, and I think that you guys will love that too. They also have lots of little bows and other claw clips and headbands, and I'll even show you some cute jewelry holders that look like they have like a bow shape, and then another one that's just really cute, so I wanted to throw that in there. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just gonna let you guys vibe out, see all of these cute little hair accessories, and I'll pop back in with you guys in just a second. Now look at how cute these are, you guys. I feel like bows in general are trending right now. I keep seeing all kinds of little sweaters with bows, jeans with little bows on them, lots of hair bows in the stores. So that is definitely on trend for what's out right now. Okay, you guys, now these are definitely nostalgic for me. When I was like middle school age, early high school, we used to put these little twists in our hair at the front and then put a little butterfly clip on each one of the twists. You guys definitely Google that hairstyle. Or if you are around my age, I'm showing my age, 90s, later 90s, early 2000s, and you used to rock that, just drop a little bow emoji down below in the comments. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so that you're notified when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.